Welcome to AI Innovative, Gateway to the Future of AI. Welcome back to AI Innovative, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence technology. Here at AI Innovative, we bring you cutting-edge AI advancements, insightful analyses, and in-depth reviews. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the future of AI, visual montage of previous videos, AI innovations, and engaging moments from the channel. In today's video, we're diving into ChatGPT-5, the latest breakthrough in conversational AI from OpenAI. Let's explore what makes ChatGPT-5 truly revolutionary. Visual, smooth transition effect. To the title screen of the video, today's topic, ChatGPT-5, the next generation of AI conversations. ChatGPT-5 boasts superior contextual understanding, enabling more accurate and relevant responses. With a split-screen demonstration, you can see how ChatGPT-5 accurately understands and responds to complex user inputs. This enhanced understanding and contextual awareness make ChatGPT-5 stand out from its predecessors. But that's not all. ChatGPT-5 also comes with multimodal capabilities, allowing it to process and respond to both text and visual inputs. Through demonstrations, you can witness how ChatGPT-5 interprets images, generates text-based descriptions, and interacts with multimedia. This multimodal feature offers a richer user experience, bridging the gap between text and visuals. Moreover, ChatGPT-5 focuses on improved personalization. By interacting with users in various scenarios, it tailors its responses to individual preferences and histories. This personal touch enhances the user experience, adapting to suit unique needs and providing more customized interactions. Ethical AI and safety are at the core of ChatGPT-5. Designed with robust principles, ChatGPT-5 ensures responsible AI usage. Infographics on ethical AI principles, data privacy, and safety measures provide
visual representations of its commitment to ethical practices, with access to an expanded and
updated knowledge base. ChatGPT-5 is more informative and up-to-date than ever. A representation of vast databases and knowledge graphs showcases how ChatGPT-5 can answer your questions and provide accurate information. Now let's explore some of the exciting use cases for ChatGPT-5. In the realm of customer support, ChatGPT-5 revolutionizes interactions by offering quick, accurate, and empathetic responses, ensuring a positive customer experience. In education, ChatGPT-5 acts as a personalized tutor, assisting students with homework and explaining complex concepts. The educational potential of ChatGPT-5 is immense, contributing to a more effective and engaging learning environment. For businesses, ChatGPT-5 offers intelligent automation and data analysis. By generating reports, managing schedules, and aiding in decision-making processes, ChatGPT-5 streamlines business operations, saving time and increasing productivity. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT-5 and discover the endless possibilities it holds. Experience the future today. Discover how ChatGPT-5 can transform your world. With ChatGPT-5, you can unlock a bold world of endless possibilities. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to limitless creativity. This cutting-edge AI technology is here to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. Imagine having a conversation with a bot that understands you better than anyone else. With ChatGPT-5, that dream becomes a reality. ChatGPT-5 is designed to mimic
human-like conversations,
providing thoughtful and engaging responses. Whether you need assistance,
want to brainstorm ideas,
or simply have a chat,
ChatGPT-5 is your ultimate companion.
But it doesn't stop there.
ChatGPT-5 can be your personal assistant,
helping you with various tasks throughout the day. From scheduling appointments to managing your to-do lists, ChatGPT-5 has got you covered. Need help with research or writing? ChatGPT-5 can lend a helping hand, generating creative ideas and assisting you in crafting compelling content. Ready for even more?
ChatGPT-5 can be integrated into your business processes,
automating customer support and enhancing the user experience. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to instant solutions.
Your customers will be amazed
at the level of support they receive, all thanks to ChatGPT-5. Visit our website to learn more about how ChatGPT-5 can transform your world. Dive into the possibilities and explore the countless ways this technology can benefit you. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates on ChatGPT-5 and our innovative solutions. Like, comment,
and subscribe to AI Innovative
for more exciting content and stay at the forefront of AI advancements. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and click on the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive content and be part of our growing community. Together, let's embrace the future and unleash the true potential of AI. Thanks for watching. Experience the future today with ChatGPT-5.